Hey guys, I'm Louis. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of the most beautiful and popular cocktail, Mojito. My making way is kind of different from traditional way. Traditional way is to mix the sugar and soda water together. My way is using Sprite because Sprite connect the lemonade and sugar together and it's more convenient. Or you have to only make sugar syrup by yourself. You can also use some other lemonades like 7-Up and Mountain Dew, but notice that Mountain Dew's color is yellow, so some people will feel uncomfortable when they drink that. You know what I mean. First of all, ingredients. You should have the white rum, not the dark rum, white rum, because dark rum will make you feel dizzy, not refreshed. And you should also have lime juice, lime slices, and some mints. First, find a coating glass, like this. Then we tear some mint leaves, probably 6 or 8 of them. Let we do that. Okay, that's it. And we pick some lime slices to the bottom of the glass. 2, 3, 4, 5. And attention, we should clap the mint leaves because this will release some oils to the drink, make the drink refresh. Here is the mint leaves, clap them. Also, put them to the bottom of the glass. Furthermore, we need 60 ml of the white rum. And we also need 30 ml of lime juice. And finally, top them with ice. Attention, because I want to be healthy, so don't leave too much spaces for the soda. Finally, Sprite. Over them for the glass. Okay, and then we use a bar spoon, give them a stir. Make it beautiful. And finally, garnish with mint leaves and a slice of lime. Mint leaves here, lime slices. Here we go. Beautiful and refreshing mojito. I hope you like that.